Hello my Crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a collective haul today. So it's a crafty haul, but it's from several different places. I actually ordered something off Etsy. I went to Tuesday Morning, and I also went to Daiso, and then I tried the Hobby Lobby clearance because I wanted to see if I could find anything there. So I did pick up a few things, not really a whole lot at Hobby Lobby, but I want to go ahead and throw it into this haul. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is a thing I bought on Etsy. So I'm going to take this out of the bag. So if you guys have watched my channels, or if you watch any of my like crafty videos, journal videos, you probably know, because I've talked about her tons and tons of times. This is her card. She's on YouTube too, and that's her YouTube name as well. I'll leave a link down below to her YouTube channel. But I love her. I think she is just so inspiring and just so funny, and she just has such a quirky personality, and I'm a big fan of her. So yeah, so basically I ordered one of her little fabric flips. So what she does is she just kind of layers fabric together and laces, and then she just sews them at the top. And yeah, I just thought, and so you get kind of random, but I'm so happy I got this one. It's so beautiful. And then she has also a matching little small one that you can either use for a pocket or you can use for a flip or whatever. But yeah, so she just has really, she just does the great job of layering. And then I guess she also threw in this little piece for just like a little thank you, which is really cute. I think this will look great in my timeless journal from Cheaply Chic. So I'm going to hold on to that for that. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I am just so in love with them. And yeah, I'm really, really happy that I got this. I went to Tuesday Morning, so just kind of go over some of the things that I got. So the other day I was needing some really thin tape, and of course Tuesday Morning has it. I'm actually going to open this. Here's the number if you're interested on that one. Unfortunately, this one, I took the one that didn't have the SKU on it, so it's the same price though. Can I remember why I really wanted thin tape? I sure cannot, but I remember that I did want it at one point. I can't remember why I wanted it. But now I have it for the next time I need it. And then I bought these photo overlays from Project Life. This is actually a gift. Here, I'll just open this. Hold on. Pineapple. And then the word love. And this one says Weekend Adventures. I know you cannot see that. This one says currently. This one says adventure. So it's just a photo overlay. So basically, if you're like into Project Life, you just basically put this on top of your photo. So XOXO, then it's just a pattern, or you can just put it on a journal card, some dots. So yeah, so I picked that up. It is actually little bags. So they're like little drawstring bags. I'm going to tell you how much they measure, because they probably look bigger on camera. So they are, from the bag point of view, it is about 6 1/4 of an inch by about 5 1/2. And then of course it's drawstring, so that's how big the actual pocket is. I don't really know why I bought these. They looked very retro, very cool, like fun summer colors. I loved this one. I have an idea for this actually. So I really liked that one. And then this little, it looks almost like sprinkles. And then I liked this one too. I thought that pattern was really pretty. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them, but I figured I'll figure out something to do with it. It's a punch cutter, so I'm going to open this too. So what you do is you basically put this down with the silver part up, and then you put this little circle and it kind of clamps into place. Okay, And then this kind of, you find little holes and you light them up and it kind of snaps in. And then you push it. And then you get a circle with the image that you're looking for. Yeah, and the circle is 2-inch circle. See it at Tuesday morning. And there is the SKU and the price if you're interested. The other things I bought at Tuesday morning, I found these really cute paper craft little cut apart thingies. So I'm going to show you, these are the same 2 bags, so I'll show you this one. And then I also purchased this one as well. But I'll open these up at the end, so you guys don't, if you guys don't want to watch that, you don't have to. I'll open them up at the end. Okay, so the other thing I bought, you're not going to actually be able to see, but I will insert a picture right here of what it is. It's basically this huge clear snap case box, and it's bigger than a 12 by 12. I think it's 14 by like 13, 5 inches tall. The other thing that I bought was this. Again, I will insert a picture once I show you the price and the SKU. It's a photo case, so I'll insert a picture of what it looks like here. And it's basically just little containers. Ephemera die cut thing is just kind of all over the place, and I feel like I needed a little bit better storage for that. So I'm hoping this will work for that. Okay, so then I did go to Hobby Lobby. Everybody's been posting that there's a big clearance there, and go to Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I like missed it or if they just didn't. I mean, it seemed like my Hobby Lobby was really full. It didn't seem like it was empty, but I only found 3 things that I really wanted. I actually really wanted these. I use these pretty consistently in my junk journals. I do have quite a bit of them, so I'm gonna have to just put these in my little back room stash. But yeah, these are basically just the little fasteners, the little hitch coast fastener thing. You just if you punch a hole and then you screw it into the back, and then you punch a hole, and you can use a ribbon if you want. You could, whatever, but it's basically just a way to close your books. And picked up this Gypsy Rose. It's something I've looked at several times while I was there, but I just never wanted to pay the full price. But at $2.50, I'm willing to pay that price. So I'll also open this at the end if you're interested in checking what is in here. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, there is the sticker sheets. I'll probably do a plan with me video with this, because I always do that when I get something new. I like to use the newest thing that I bought. So stay tuned for that. But I'll open this if you're interested at the end. I also picked up this, the Blue in the Barn. Again, one of those things that you kind of look at and you're like, I kind of like some of these pages in here, and not all of them. It's $2.20, so for $2.20, I liked it enough. So there are just some plain, I'm kind of thinking about doing like a cowboy theme or horse theme junk journal. That's the plan, at least. That God only knows if that'll actually happen. But and
then, see, there's some pages in here that it's like, this is cool just by itself. I mean, it looks like old wallpaper. So for me, this could be something I would junk journal with all the time. And there's 4 pieces. There's 4 pages in each of them. So, and then this one has like the wood grain, which I like that. I can use that pretty much anywhere. And then another wallpaper page, which I love, the little flowers and the blue strip down the line. The cow page, probably never going to use that, to be honest with you. I don't know how I'd ever use that, but... And then the roosters, again, not sure how I'd ever use that. Yeah, and then this one's really cute too. It's like kind of almost, again, kind of wallpapery, and it's blue with flowers and birds, so I could use that in lots of different things. This one, yeah, I can definitely use it in a junk journal about cowboys, but, yeah. I mean, it's interesting. It's kind of cool. You can cut, it would be kind of cute to, like, cut it out like this, and then have them, like, open flaps, so they look like drawers, but... And then there's gingham, which I love, and then the stripes. And then I think these are supposed to be strawberries or something. I'm not exactly sure. Tomatoes, maybe? But I think it's cute. And then I love this one, too. I think that one's really pretty. Never, ever think I'll ever use the pig paper. And then they threw in this marble, which I'm not really understanding the marble. I guess it's kind of farmhouse. I don't know. But it's cool. I will definitely use that. And then the green gingham. And I like this one, too, even though it's very farm with all the animals and stuff. But I think I could use this in my cowboy journal. And then the roosters on the chairs. I don't know if I'll ever use that. And there is another cute one. This is like, it's got, I'm not sure if you can tell in the photo, but it's got like a brick wall. And then this pattern is like overlaid on top of it. And then there's another kind of wallpaper one, which I love. And this one's cute. If you like a cooking book or a cooking one, like a cookbook one, which I'm planning on doing that too. That's in the plan, but not that I'll, you know, I have a lot of plans when I retire.
And then I just picked up a few things from Daiso Japan. So again, I bought these at Daiso. They're thick storage bags. I did pull one out already. Basically, they're just the size. Oh, that's in millimeters. That's not going to help me. Oh, wait, here we go. They're 5.5 by 7.8 inches. So, and they're really kind of heavy duty Ziploc bags. And I thought that this would work really good for my stamps. My clear acrylic stamps are like all over the place. So I need to kind of organize them. And I thought those would work well. And I bought these cute little craft paper labels. And I bought all 3 sizes that they had. I use craft labels in quite a few of my journal layout, or my journal layouts, and in my happy planner. So I thought these would work really well with those. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then I also picked up some rub-ons. Is one for like a kitchen kind of feel to it. And then this one is for a garden theme. So yeah, so that is what I bought at Daiso, right? Yeah. And then, yep, so I think, all right, so let's go ahead and open this package right here. And there's the price and the SKU. And this one is just basically all like watercolor flowers. So I'm just going to flip through them really, really quick. So I bought this specifically because I wanted to use this one, and then I also want to use this one in my spring journal. So kind of instantly had inspiration when I saw these. So when I get inspiration for something like that, I just typically buy it. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And I bought 2 of these just because I really thought the images were really, really pretty. So again, I'm going to do a quick flip through of these ones.
Oh, I just put that in there too.
I really liked this one. I think that's really cool. And I love the peacocks.
So again, here's the sticker sheet. I love the floral in this. I love the kind of, I don't know what kind of flower that is. I'm not a flower person. I like the little sayings too. And the bee is cute. A little bicycle. I love the little puppy right here. What's up, Buttercup? And the paper is, I mean, it's okay. I don't really understand that. Like, I don't know what that is. I mean, I know it's a fruit of some sort, but I don't know what kind of fruit, and I don't know why it's in this. I don't know why it's in here. This has something to do with gypsies? Is this a gypsy rose, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what a gypsy rose is. Is that something? Comment down below if you know. But I like the slider paper, so that's okay. And then this one is just another geometrical shape, and then the guitars. Not really thrilled about the guitars either, but that's okay. I can use this side of the paper. And then this one's got a fake gold. And then the antlers, which again, not really thrilled about. Again, it's like, I liked one side of the page and then I didn't like the other side, so that's why I never bought it when it was full price. And that one has polka dots, and I love that page. I think this is pretty. This is so pretty. I mean, this, and the stickers are worth $2.50 to me. And then here is this page, and this one is really pretty, so I like both sides of this. So it's the dots and then the butterflies. And then I really think this is really cute too, with the little bees, the tiny little bees. And then the other side is the cute little, what are these called? Journal cards. I love this one. Good things take time.
I think that is everything that I wanted to share with you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you did. It really does help me kind of be in other people's feeds and stuff like that. If you give me a thumbs up, it helps YouTube kind of know that this is something people are watching. So if you could give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.